Hello, class. Welcome to week 4. So we're in our last 2 weeks of class. This is where we're going to put it in and finish strong, right? So we just went over week 3, our study skills. And many of you talked about how some of you said your study skills were good or great. Some of you said that they were fair and that you had room for improvement. And you talked about what ways you could improve. And then some of you said, hey, I really suck at this. What could I do? And you discussed ways that you can organize. I hope that you found some good best practices to take away for your study skills and that you can apply them to your educational journey here at Vista College. And not just here, but whatever you do beyond Vista. Having an organized mind and having goals and clearly knowing what you need to do and how you need to do it is key to success, and it will carry you far. It will take you far beyond an associate's, a bachelor's, or master's degree. I speak from experience. If you set your mind to it, if you decide I'm going to do this and you decide how you're going to do it and that you're going to set aside an hour a day to study or to read, you will be successful. What you put into your educational journey, you will get out of it. If you put hard work in, you're going to reap the benefits of that hard work. But if you skate by and you write 1 or 2 sentences for your discussion and you don't respond to any other students, or you kind of half respond to other students, then you get what you put into it. If you don't turn in your assignments, you don't do well, right? So what you apply yourself to, what you put your time into, does reap benefits. And I know that most of you know exactly what I'm talking about. So with that said, let's move on. I've talked about that enough. What are we going to talk about in week 4? Problem solving. Excellent topic. Excellent topic. Some of you have already mentioned, I think Vernell already talked about he wanted to exercise his critical thinking skills. Well, Vernell, here in week 4, you're going to use those critical thinking skills a little bit more. We're going to learn more about problem solving and discover our different ways of problem solving. How you choose to solve a problem could determine success or failure, could determine promotion or staying where you are. So we're going to learn more about that. You're going to learn more about yourself and how you critically think, how you solve your problems. We have an excellent discussion board where you're going to look at a video, read some material about solving problems, and then talk about what you do to solve problems, and to maybe name a specific issue that you had and what you did to solve that problem, whether it was personal or professional. And then after that, there is an activity in week 4 where you're going to help Aslan solve a problem with his education, and you're going to write a best practice solution for Aslan. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys discover in that. Now, also in week 4, you have what's called an end of term survey in your Jump to Page course. So you want to go in and click on the end of term survey and complete the survey. This is valuable feedback that we use in our courses to improve our course content, to improve course instructions. We do read every course survey and take those statistics and those notes and comments that you guys make and make improvements in our delivery of our courses here at Vista College. So your feedback is very valuable. Also, if you have any zeros, if you have anything missing in the course, you are still able to submit those assignments. I do not want anyone to fail this class. If you do the work, you can pass this class. So I need you guys to go in, and any missing assignments, I need you to submit those assignments. If you have any questions or you don't understand anything, Do not hesitate to contact me, text me, call me, email me, whatever you need to do. What is it? I'm Kim Possible, right? All right, guys. Have a great week. I look forward to seeing your responses in the discussion board and reading your responses in assignment 4 for Aslan. All right. Have a good week.